In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the color picker column in Monday.com, and we'll do it in about 5 minutes. Let's jump right in and make your workflow more vibrant and organized. To start off, you'll need to navigate to Monday.com, which is your go-to platform for Agile project management. Once you're on their homepage, click on the Login button. Monday.com usually makes this easy with a straightforward login interface. When you reach the login page, you'll see an option to log in with Google. Click on that and select the Google account associated with your Monday.com profile. By logging in this way, it can streamline your access, especially if you regularly use Google services. Once you're logged in, proceed to your specific board. For those new to Monday.com, a board is essentially your workspace where all your tasks and projects are organized. If you're handling multiple boards, make sure you've selected the right one for which you'll be implementing the color picker. Now that you're on your board, it's time to add a new column to your table, which is a quick and intuitive process. Just locate that Add Column button, usually positioned prominently, making it very user-friendly. With the new column ready to be customized, you'll want to type Color Picker into the search or input field. The Color Picker is a feature that allows you to visually code your tasks or projects using colors that denote different statuses or categories. This can be incredibly helpful in setting up visual distinctions at a glance, and colors can be assigned based on priority, progress, or any other metric that makes sense for your team. Remember, the key here is to be clear and organized in how you plan to use these colors in your workflow. Once you've typed in Color Picker, go ahead and click on it. By doing so, you'll activate this feature for your column right away. What you'll notice now is a spectrum of colors available for selection. At this point, you can start applying the desired colors to different entries in your column. Using a color-coded system can help you manage tasks more effectively and can be a real game changer in terms of visual management and time saving. It's not just about making things look pretty, it's about doubling down on efficiency and collaboration. So there you have it. A simple way to enhance your project management capabilities on Monday.com through the use of the color picker column. Just think of it as adding a splash of color to the routine of project management without sacrificing any professionalism or order. Thanks for watching, and go forth to make your boards as functional and aesthetically pleasing as they can be.